last but not least, you put a pinch of salt in it. Pinch of salt, you know? So me make my own and I tell you honestly truth, it's still stay up to 1 month and the spoil. Good. So I'll get this to the blender now. So we'll give it 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Blend. Okay. Oops. Asha, oops. That. I don't want to put no more water inside of it. Use vinegar and lime juice. And look at it come out pretty and thick. Smell good. Now this, any food you're cooking, guys, chicken, pork, fish, oxtail, mutton, ackee and salt fish, rice and peas, any meat, anything, okay, put this on the food, season the food with this, and also put it inside the pot when you know what I'm saying? Like, share, subscribe for this one, okay? YouTube. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna see some chicken with this and some baked chicken, okay?